सभी लोग हमारी तरफ से एक प्यार भरा नमस्ते,
नमस्कार,
वनकम,
नमस्कार,
खुश आमदीद,
सलामकुम,
सत श्री अकाल,
नीकांतरिकी वंदनम,
जय स्वामी नारायण,
जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय जिनेन्द्र।
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे या अली मदद।
मोला अली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी बंद लोग बोलेंगे नीसाम बुला बरजन। हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा। मैं से फालतू बाबा
And of course, myself फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time that's going to make it totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बंदू जाने।
Shuda Barajan, of course, of course, it's the 204th day of sheltering in place, Pandajan. Yes, 204 days हो गया है हम shelter करते हुए. And yes, I want to thank everybody out there who actually have been patiently sheltering in place, ताकि we all can actually somehow conquer this particular virus by not giving it the opportunity to spread to more people. Sorry, I can't say that about you, Mr. Trump, or should I say President Trump. You actually are putting many people at risk.
Yeah.
By just being at your White House right now, right? And that's very dangerous, actually, Father. I was thinking about it. It's very dangerous to actually people do that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Anyway, but at least people who actually, I still feel okay. People might say, oh my God, then why should I do? That's what's happening, Father. If you look at it, right, on the roads, traffic has increased.
Exactly.
Have you seen people's movement has increased on the roads and everything? And that's probably because people are thinking like, why should we do it when the head of state only is not doing it? They say, right?
Correct.
Yatha Raja Tata Praja.
Correct.
Now, if you wonder where I got this particular reference, Branjan, actually is one of our old adages.
Yeah.
It's wisdom like that.
Yeah.
And Fatani, what did you want to share about the thing today?
Well, we'll come to the news headlines shortly, Banjan. Let's tell you that we will be going into our a quick traffic update because there is traffic on the roads out there. I don't know how many of you have started returning to work, but most tech companies around the San Francisco Bay Area have said that people need to be sheltering at home, or they don't need to come into work if they don't feel comfortable.
Okay.
Also, for the longest, I think some companies have said until a vaccine is made available.
Well, that's true, and so many of them indefinitely have been asked to stay work from home for sure. In a way, it's good. In a way, it's bad. I'll tell you why it's bad in a few minutes. Banjan. लेकिन उससे पहले, like how Father Rani said, let's go see what's happening in the roads. Banjan, रास्ते का हाल देंगे हम लोग आपको एकदम सस्ते में.
It's time for the Bandu Traffic Update. Call us from wherever you are at 408-912-2479.
That's right. And of course, Banjan, what is that? That was my voice echoing over there. Ooh, that sounds good.
Oh God, I thought you'll say that sounds scary.
What? Hello, excuse me. I'm not talking in your perspective. For you, everything I do is scary.
Yes,
No.
that's true.
What? Again, no. I walked in right to that anyway.
Yeah.
Anyway, Banjan, as you should know, is towards the north, there is road closure because fire is still on. Yes, Banjan, you might feel, it's cloudy here. Probably it's not cloud, might be smoke also. Calistoga side, the fire is still burning over there. In the wildfire is still on. The whole 29 actually is blocked. You can't actually take a drive down there. And we'll give you more updates about the fire. But the weather is so bad here, as in, it's a time when people get sick also, Balajan. Watch out for that. Has the flu vaccine been released already, Falmani?
No, Altaba.
Probably we'll check it out, Balajan. Let you know more news about that. But fog advisory in the north, Golden Gate Bridge Bay is a huge fog and thing there. Watch out for that if you're traveling that region. One actually has some heavy traffic in that region over there. Watch out for that. Let's see. Let's come south. There's a traffic accident on 237 eastbound west of 101 in Sunnyvale. The lanes doesn't seem to be affected because traffic comparatively is moving. If I see in the camera, it's moving right now. But coming down towards 280 Bird Avenue, there's a little bit of congestion there. It actually is exactly exiting at the Bird Avenue. That accident is right there, slowing down some traffic in that region. Apart from that, I think everything else is pretty much COVID situation, as in the roads are moving. There's not much of congestion anywhere else. Back roads, of course, El Camino Real, I know you guys know it always is crowded, that region. That's a little bit of backup over there, but no incidents report for you guys. That's a good thing, right? And 80 Pay, there's some traffic over there on 80, which I see quite a big backup of traffic near the it's near the Bay Bridge toll actually. So toll pito, of course, there always is a traffic there. But anyways, tolls have started, I guess, what I heard. I'll get you more information about that for sure. Like that was a traffic update. Weather-wise, I'll tell you, looking outside, it seems like it's going to rain. But no, we're going to have sun today.
Really?
Yeah. But it's going to be cloudy though, partly cloudy. Some parts of the Bay Area can see some sunlight, but of course, going to be partly cloudy. We probably will be high of mid 70s. It's kind of a cold day, so if you're going to walking out, probably a wind sheeter is advised for you guys. Make sure you can have that on with you guys. That was the traffic update for you. But right now, quickly, let's go see Fadwani. Do we have the news headlines for us?
Yes, we do, Altu Baba. By the way, I didn't know this, Altu Baba. There are bandhus who listen to us all the way from Afghanistan, Pakistan, India,
Oh, wow.
who are like radio. They are something like a club, apparently.
Nice.
And they actually listen to this particular radio. Oh, thank you.
God bless.
Really, really appreciate the support. Yeah, I don't know. In India, what time could it be, man? It's late in the evening, right?
I guess so.
Yeah. So, but want to welcome everybody. Good morning. And of course, let's tell you, Bandujan, some of the news headlines for today. Okay. White House eyes piecemeal pandemic aid after Trump ends talks on overall package. Trump fails to block tax return subpoena, will appeal to the Supreme Court. Pence and Harris clash in VP debate amid COVID-19 outbreak at the White House. Army for Trump readies poll watching operation. Defiant Trump in risky COVID-19 gambit before US elections. Creators of Gene Scissors clinch Nobel Prize as women sweep chemistry. Alleged Islamic State militants known as Beatles headed to US to face charges. France and Germany push for EU sanctions on Russia over the Navalny poisoning. Amazon sends a legal notice to India's Future Group over the Reliance deal. Riya Chakrabarti is released after 28 days in jail on bail. And Sushant Singh Rajput's family lawyer seeks fresh forensic probe. India and Japan finalize a pact for cooperation in 5G technology, artificial intelligence, and critical information on infra. And revival of economy post-COVID lockdown is clearly visible, says Minister Nirmala Sitharaman.
And of course, that was the headlines for you guys. But Jan, उसके बारे में और जानकारी मिलेगा आपको just in a few minutes. But उसके पहले, Father, it's time for us to go to Ganika Kida, right?
Right.
Can you guess what the Ganika Kida for today is?
The guess, the Ganika Kida is going to be, I don't know. Today is Wednesday, so I'm assuming you'll play. No, that is on Mondays that you play Shankara Re Shankara. I'm trying to think. Maybe you're gonna. I was gonna think that you'll play something like Ganesh Ji ki kuch play karoge. But how about like a really fun song, which is talking about bandutwa.
There you go, but finally she does get on and track with this, Bajan. Yes, it's got to be a nice day for you guys to go to a rave party outside, I suppose. Just kidding, don't do it. Nowadays, a rave party, you got to wear a mask anyways. That's something which you have to do. Probably it's a good thing. In rave parties, wearing a mask actually helps. You don't know who's doing what anyways. Enjoy a song by Jan from the week, Cocktail. This actually is, well, I don't know. Cocktail.
इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा मैं तो यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा जब यार करे परवाह मेरी मुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया की जग मुझ पे लगाए पाबंदी मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की तुम ही दिन चढ़े तुम ही दिन ढले तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही दिन चढ़े तुम ही दिन ढले तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही every time every minute all the day तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही दिन चढ़े तुम ही दिन ढले तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही.
And of course, Bajan, we always have told you this and we'll say it again. Doesn't matter. Music by Preetham. And this lyrics, I don't know who it is, Fatwani. Preetham Bhota definitely has to be one of those guys like,
I think it's Amita Bhattacharya.
I don't think so.
Oh no, it's Irshad Kamil because this is a movie by
Uh-huh.
what's that guy's name? Yeah.
Saif Ali Khan.
No
produced.
man, No.
Dinesh, Homi Adajini.
Ajania, but who's the maker? The
Maker.
director, Imtiaz Ali.
Imtiaz Ali's movie? No,
Yeah.
directed by Homi Adajania.
Okay,
Whatever
then
the name
maybe
is.
it's not Ishar Khan.
Adajania.
We don't know. We don't have it together, but the Jan, it's okay. Who cares?
मेरे इश्क का किस
Hey, we never say we know all the answers, okay? We have all the questions though.
Exactly. लाजवाब शो है.
दुनिया की तू जीत मेरी जग हार मेरी मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की
तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही एंड ऑफ कोर्स हम ज्यादा गा देते हैं क्योंकि वरना हमने नहीं गाया तो ऑफ कोर्स वहाँ पे फ्लैग लग जाता है स्पेशली हीरोज के लोग कैसे
See, that's the funny part, right? Like, बंदजान ये तो commentary show है. I mean, you know, like हम लोग हर गाने का मतलब बजाते हैं, मतलब you know, केस लेते हैं.
Exactly.
गाने
In this
का
case,
बात
why
करते हैं.
would we want to actually do a rave party?
Yeah.
Why would you want to do that? You know, show it in a particular
नहीं, but
thing.
we like the song, बंदजान. We
Song
like the
is
song, so
nice.
that's why we want
But I always have this thing, you know, I think Saif Ali Khan actually, if you look at it, right?
Yeah.
काफी intelligent बंदा हो गया बाद में.
बाद-
Initially probably he was, but later on slowly, if you look at his movies, right?
Yeah.
This was his production, by the way.
Oh, really?
This movie is produced by him, partly produced by him. And one more guy, I forget the guy's name, who's Dinesh Vigyan.
I don't know, man.
Vijan.
Okay, fine.
Dinesh Vijan is the guy. So produced by Saif Ali Khan and him, by the way. His movies always have one song which actually has a lot of meaning to it,
Really?
and it always talks about something
Oh,
to do
yes,
with
yes.
Bandhutva.
You know, you're right.
Yeah, Chef. This one, Sugar Lagale was a
Sugar
song.
Lagale is another song.
And
yeah.
Phantom, there was a song, very nice song, Rapta. I know here there's a song which this is a song
Rapta
too.
is from Phantom?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah,
No.
well, there was a particular song.
Okay.
That's
That's
the
not.
drowning song, man, it drowns, right?
No, that's not the song.
What
That
is
is that's a beautiful song. It's not Rapta.
Whatever, it's a drowning song.
No, Savre.
Savre, yeah, Savre is a good song, by the way.
Yeah.
And then the one more song in the movie, the recent movie which came out, if you haven't seen it, go Javani Janeman, nice movie. Nice song in that also. It's called again as, what is that thing?
बंधु
तू मेरा
मेरा
तो हमारे शो सुन के ऐसा बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे बंधु बहुत यूज कर रहे हैं, but doesn't matter, यूज करो, सब लोग हमारे बंधु हो जाते हैं.
Correct.
But anyway, right now, Bajja, let's go see the news in detail for you guys. Faltoni, what do you have for us?
Alta Baba,
Yeah.
would you like some really, really nice feel-good news? Would you like some feel-good news?
Feel good news, yes, why not?
Yeah, this one you will totally love this, Alta Baba. It's about dogs.
Aww.
Yeah, it's about dogs. So let me tell you. Okay,
I'm waiting.
The news is that dogs apparently aren't hardwired to care about human faces. And there's no area in their brain designed to distinguish between the back or front of someone's head.
Uh-huh.
And yet they're so full of love. Aren't they?
I know.
So cute. Bless their hearts, Panajan.
No, I don't think it's wrong. Its study's wrong.
No, actually, there is a study that's come out, Panajan, and it's a CNN news article that I was reading. That
No, I don't think.
researchers measured brain activity in dogs and humans as they showed them videos of faces and backs of heads. A press release from the Eötvös Loránd University in Hungary has said, while faces are hugely important for visual communication in humans, the same can't be said about our canine companions. Experiments involving functional magnetic resonance imaging on 20 dogs were carried out at this university.
I'm sorry, I don't agree with this.
What?
The study is flawed.
Well, I'll tell you what could be flawed. Dogs maybe don't connect to screens.
Exactly.
Images.
Ah.
So results reveal large dedicated neural networks in human brains are used to differentiate faces from non-faces. In dogs, there is no brain region to supposedly distinguish between faces. But if you want to read up on that, it's a really cute story. I just felt like it's so sweet.
It is sweet, but I think the point is, I know, we look at the eyes of a dog, Fadhani. That's when you fall in love.
Oh God.
I'm not scared. See, I'll tell you what. Our dogs, I'm giving you a study based on empirical evidence. It's just one study that did over some MRI scanning. I don't know why they do fMRI scanning. Like, I think all these graduate students and everybody don't have any other work to do.
They have to find out what
They have
do
to
we
question
know.
everything. I don't like them anyways. Anyway, it's fine. My point is empirical evidence very important. Listen to me fully. The point I'm making here is
Spending too much time with the dogs.
no. I'll tell you, when you look at the dog's eyes, right, Faldrani, you get the connection automatically. You feel that, and actually they've proven this as in even dogs, right? When they look at the owner's eyes, they say give eye contact to a dog you own, or rather you're in your family. It actually is better for their their serotonin levels increase when they have eye contact with their humans,
Yeah.
whom they love, right?
Yeah.
And by the way, this is the only animal which gives you eye contact. Cats don't. I'm sorry if you didn't know about that.
Well, my dogs are so funny, Banjan, that they will actually make eye contact and demand things. And when they make a mistake, they'll not make eye contact.
That's true.
They'll look everywhere else. They
Yeah.
won't make eye contact.
Agreed.
Anyway, let's go back and let's talk about. We're talking about very nice, loyal, conscientious animals, but let's talk about something outside of that.
Something not loyal?
Yeah.
I know, you're going to go Trump, right?
Yes. White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows said on Wednesday that he and Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin are discussing potential standalone bills for the aid to airlines, small businesses, and Americans. And he said that the Trump administration was still willing to be engaged on piecemeal aid bills. For those of you who don't know, yesterday Trump came out and tweeted, and he held the American public, each and every single one of you who are listening to this, to ransom by saying that he's not going to sign off on any coronavirus aid bill, even though the House and the Senate were nearing on a particular arrangement of a bill with regard to a $2 trillion stimulus package. And Trump said they will sign a massive stimulus after he wins the election. So basically, he's saying he will sign it if you vote for him. And he's holding your own money against you. So please let that sink in. But the Trump, everybody, that market started to tank. It's going up and down. It's like a yo-yo, right? But the White House now came out and said that they're still willing to be engaged in a discussion, but they're not optimistic about a comprehensive aid bill. More on that you'll find on mediamahima.com. Speaking of Trump, a federal appeals court on Wednesday rejected Donald Trump's effort to block Manhattan's district attorney from obtaining 8 years of his tax returns for a criminal probe into the U.S. president and his businesses. In a 3-0 decision, the Second U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in Manhattan rejected Trump's accusations that a grand jury subpoena from Manhattan District Attorney Cyrus Vance was overly broad or issued in bad faith just to harass him. So now they're saying that Trump is going to take it to the Supreme Court. But the lower court wrote, the president has a difficult burden and an unenviable task. My bad. To make plausible allegations that could possibly persuade the court that the subpoena that has been served on him could not possibly serve any investigative purpose that the grand jury could be legitimately pursuing, it wrote, and his complaint fails to do so. So it looks like he's going to go to the Supreme Court and possibly win, or maybe he'll just bide time till the elections. Vice President Pence and Kamala Harris, all eyes are on them right now because they're going to be clashing in a debate amid the COVID-19 outbreak at the White House. And the televised encounter in Salt Lake City, Utah, comes after the Republican president announced last Friday that he tested positive for coronavirus amid a White House outbreak. Former Vice President Joe Biden, the Democratic presidential nominee, is leading Trump in many national polls, including an advantage of 12 percentage points in the latest Reuters Ipsos survey of likely voters, with less than 4 weeks until the November 3rd election. Harris has requested plexiglass shielding. Pence spokeswoman Katie Miller on Monday mocked Harris, saying, if she wants to use a fortress around herself, have at it. Oh, really, Katie Miller? Your husband is now COVID-19 positive, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah, Stephen
Katie
Miller. Yeah, there are a bunch of people, Altubaba, in the White House for those key Trump contacts who are now infected.
Okay, but first of all, who's Katie Miller?
She's a spokesperson for Pence's campaign. And she's also the wife of Stephen Miller, who's the chief White House Trump advisor.
So far, Pence was actually cleared. He was negative COVID.
Yeah.
But what do you think? He also get the positive mental attitude?
I don't know. But the people who are infected in the White House: Donald Trump, Melania Trump, Hope Hicks, Kayleigh McEnany,
But
Stephen
I'll
Miller.
I'll tell you one thing, man. We got to hand it to Trump.
What?
Hey, nothing keeps him down. He's like, I have a fever, I'm gonna work through it. I'm gonna come sit there and whine on people.
Because, Bandhujan, he has changed West Wing forever. You
Yeah,
know why? He's
why?
made it Infest Wing.
Oh yeah, infesting.
It's
Nice one.
become like
I
a.
like that, Falsani. Very
It's
nice.
not mine. It's not mine. It's late night comedians are like furious over this particular thing, and they've been like completely taking his case
So
on top
literally,
of
they
it.
got to actually take this White House and whitewash it. Literally with bleach, I suppose.
Yeah,
I can
exactly.
imagine how much of bleach is going to go into watching the washing. And they say, by the way, bleach does not kill the virus. Did you know that?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
What?
No, it doesn't kill the virus.
Wow.
99.9%, right? 1.1% remain anyways. It'll become super virus.
Exactly.
Oh my
But
god.
wait. You remember you told me, Altu Baba, that there was a conspiracy theory you had that he'll have his own army?
Yeah.
Okay, so Republicans are mobilizing thousands of volunteers to watch early voting sites and ballot drop boxes.
Let me guess, they all are members of the NRA?
They are called, yes, and they are called Army for Trump. That's right, Bandhujan. And supposedly, they are going to find evidence to back up Donald Trump's unsubstantiated complaints about widespread voter fraud.
Whoa.
God, seriously, what all are they going to do
Alright,
to
guys,
suppress the vote?
please go into all those grocery stores, wherever you actually buy baseball bats, get those nails from Home Depot, start making your defensive bats.
What?
Yeah, like that evil. That
No,
that-
no, no.
It's going to be apocalyptic America.
Yeah, God.
Yeah, get ready for Bandhujan. Keep a gasoline car in your.
No, we're not saying any of that, Altu Baba. We're
What?
not asking you to do any of those things,
No, we're
Bandhujan.
not asking you to know those things.
No,
but,
we're not.
but I think it seems like he's heading there. But Supreme Leader is sometimes very kind and generous to us. He'll be the benevolent leader who will allow us to vote for him.
Yeah.
So kind of him.
Well, let's talk about something more positive. Bandhujan, 2 scientists won the 2020 Nobel Prize in Chemistry on Wednesday for creating genetic scissors that can rewrite the code of life, contributing to new cancer therapies and holding out the prospect of curing hereditary diseases.
There you go, Bandhujan. Eugenics. We're going to have factory-made babies going forward.
Yeah, Emmanuel Charpentier, and both are ladies. Jennifer A. Doudna, both the scientists who have actually won it. Emmanuel Charpentier is French, and American Jennifer Doudna shared the 10 million Swedish crown prize for developing the CRISPR tool to edit the DNA of animals, plants, and microorganisms with precision. So if you want to catch up on this and all the other news stories that the headlines of which I shared earlier, Bandhujan, you can go to mediamahima.com. We don't have too much time to cover all of the information in detail, but you can definitely catch it up on mediamahima.com. That's all we have for you in this morning's Good Morning Babe. We'll be back tonight live at 5 on the Pam Pam Show. Till then, have yourselves a wonderful Wednesday.
पर